I'm gonna do a quick breakdown in Euro GBP. Wow, been a good trading week. So anyway, when you look in a weekly perspective of Euro GBP, we're seeing since back to 2017, we're seeing Euro GBP has been consolidating between this high here and this low here, right? So since price is consolidating, from it was from this downward trend we had this big upward trend here a couple like 4 years ago. Then we had like this accumulation phase which took almost like 3 years. Then so when you're looking, well, what am I looking at? So when you pull your fibs from this level, from this low to this high, we're seeing prices respecting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, right? And the good thing when you're looking at this chart, you see this could be a continuation to the upside, either testing these highs because this is an accumulation phase here, or even breaking this high and continue to the upside. But possibly our target right now is either testing these highs, right? So we're seeing a good EMA crossover here after testing the lows. Then price retest came and retraced 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. The EMAs are still pointing upwards. So, and last week we saw Euro GBP broke this structure here when you go to low time frame, and now price is coming down to retest, which is also retesting the ATMA right now. So which is good. So this is a good retest before continuing to the upside. So when you move to the daily, so let me put all the tools so that you guys can see. So from the low to the high, so price is respecting what? You see that? So price is respecting the 61.8 in the weekly time frame. We got a lot of accumulation phase. Then we had that breakout, which I indicated. Then you see this was a structure, low, low, high, low, low. Then retest of this uh, high, low, high. Then broke down like last week, poof, to the upside. So there's already a shift of momentum to the upside here, based on the daily structure. We already broke this high. Now we're testing it as a support. You're seeing EMAs now at trended sideways, not yet crossed. So we could say price gets to this accumulation phases here, this good liquidity level, accumulate liquidity and go to the upside, which based on this Fibonacci retracement. So when you pull your fibs based on this low here to this high, so we've seen price is perfectly respecting the 50 to around 61.8, which is accumulation zones of you see this yellow zone which I'm indicating. So we need price to come at least here, retest this level, then we could take this long opportunity to the upside, which our target in normally is 0.27, which is around here. So it's around this psychological level. And when you look at this side, when you look back to this side, you see like this is a very good level. You know why? Because you see right here, price tested here, rejected, also rejected here. Then you had this big kind of broke through. Then it came reject, acted as support. Then poof, price broke and just dropped. So this is a good accumulation phase here, which is a point of control. So that's why I'm saying our target here is very good. It's a psychological level, so it's around 0.9500. So we need price to retest here before continuing to the upside. We're seeing EMAs are pointing sideways, break of structure, so it means shift of momentum to the upside. Okay, then you move to the 4 hours. You're seeing creation of this accumulation phase here. Then we see this creation of high, low, high, low here. So you see perfectly price is respecting the 200 EMA exponential moving average, and also it's closely to this liquidity zone which we are talking about in the daily structure. So at least we could see, we need to see price at least tap here, or even respect the 61 or either 50 with this 200 EMA being respected. That would be really good. Then we should see a continuation to the upside. So you see like all this this is a point of control. You see accumulation phase here, institution adding big more positions for buying, then taking the market up. So we need price to come here. Then the people who are selling are going to close their position, because institutions, they added their position here, so they don't want to lose their money. So we're going to see a continuation to the upside. That's one thing. EMAs are pointing downward, meaning we're having a slight retracement. So we got to monitor in lower time frame like H1. H1 also EMA is across to the downside, so they're having this accumulation phase right now because price at least tried a little bit to test the liquidity level. Yeah. So what are we gonna monitor? So we have this accumulation phase right now, this one. So so all you have to monitor is like, okay, there's this level here which price acts as a support right now, and there's also this liquidity level, and also there are these Fibonacci ratios. So what I want for Euro GBP to do is either drop to this liquidity level, respect the 50 or 61 for a good collection of liquidity, and then continue to the upside with break of structure and also EMA crossover. That's one thing. But in case if it doesn't and it's still this support still holds, then you see this accumulation phase. We need a break of this structure here. Here we need price to go like that thing, then thing, come and retest here. Then we need a continuation to the upside. That's one thing I'm looking at in case if it happens. In case it breaks this previous low, then we could see now market come to this liquidity level. But if it doesn't break this low, this low of the accumulation phase, then we could see price range here for quite some time, then EMA crossing over with break of structure, and then we could see a continuation to the upside. But if it breaks the low, then we could see EMA is pointing downwards, and so we would see a slight continuation to the downside, testing this liquidity level of 50 or 61.8. Then at that, when let's say if it comes to 61.8, we need another accumulation phase. Then you draw your accumulation level, same as here, like but around here when price is here, then we need a crossover with break of structure, like kind of like the same as here. Then we need to go to the upside. So highly wait for break of structure, EMA crossover, retest, and good, wonderful trade for the week. That's what I'm looking at. Look at that. That's very good. So you had this 1, 2, 3. So probably you could see here, you see good rejections you're getting right here, right now. But we have to be patient. Let's see what's going to happen. Look at end of fundamental news. Yeah, thank you.